Hello, viewers. Welcome to another episode of Knowledge Sharing. Before continuing, like us, like and follow our Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, comments, and share our video for more interesting topics. Today, we are looking at this question, and it says, simplify square root of 8 into square root of 8 into square root of 8, all to the power of 8. So, we are going to simplify that to have the solution of this question. So, from the question, we are given square root of 8 into square root of 8 into square root of 8, all to the power of 8. We know that when we have square root of a is same thing as a to the power of 1 all over 2. This is what square root means. So from this illustration, this is the same thing as square root of 2 to the power of 3, and 8 equals to 2 to the power of 3. This is what it means. You have 2 to the power of 3 into square root of 2 to the power of 3 into square root of 2 to the power of 3, all to the power of 8. So from here, this square root covers 1, 2, 3. So here we have it as 2 to the power of 3 square root of 2 to the power of 3 into square root of 2 to the power of 3, all to the power of 8 times 1 all over 2, because we want to do away with the first square root that covers all of them. So here 2 cancel here 1 and 2 cancel here 4. So we all have 2 to the power of 3 square root of 2 to the power of 3 into square root of 2 to the power of 3, all to the power of 4. So here, this is the same thing as we have here 2 to the power of 3 times square root of, we have here 2 to the power of 3 times, here is the same thing as square root of 2 times square root of 2 plus 1, all to the power of 4. So here we can have it as 2 to the power of 3 times square root of 2 to the power of 3 times square root of 2 to the power of 2 times 2 to the power of 1. So this is what it means, all to the power of 4. So this is the same thing as 2 to the power of 3 times square root of 2 to the power of 3 times, we have here square root of 2 to the power of 2 times square root of 2 to the power of 1. So here, this we move over to this other side. So we have here 2, this is all to the power of 4. So we have here 2 to the power of 3 times square root of, we have 2 to the power of 3 times, this will become times square root of 2, here square root of 2 to the power of 2, because 2 cancel here and 2 cancel here. We are now left with 2 times square root of 2, all to the power of 4. So this is what we have now. So the next step, this will become 3 to the power of 2 times square root of 2 to the power of 3 times square root of 2 to the power of 1 times square root of 2, all to the power of 4. This is the same thing as 2 to the power of 3 times square root of, this is 3 plus 1, the same thing as 2 to the power of 4 times square root of 2, all to the power of 4. So from here, we can see that we can split this. So we have 2 to the power of 3 times square root of, we have 2 to the power of 4. If we want to separate this, this will become square root of into square root of 2, all to the power of 4. So from here, this is the same thing as 2 to the power of 3 times, here is 2 to the power of 4 times 1 all over 2 times, we have square root into square root of 2, all to the power of 4. So here 2 cancel here and 2 cancel here 2. So we are now left with 2 to the power of 3 times 2 to the power of 2 times square root of into square root of 2, all to the power of 4. So from here, power of 3 and 2 is the same thing as 2 to the power of 5 times, here we have, this is like 2 to the power of 1 all over 4, then we have all to the power of 4. So from this parenthesis, if we want to separate each of them, we have 2 to the power of 5 times 4, then we have times 2 to the power of 1 all over 4 times 4. So from here, we have it as 2 to the power of, we have 5 times 4, which is 20. We have times 2 to the power of 1 all over 4 times 4. Here, 4 will cancel here 1 and 4 will cancel here 1. We are now left with 2 to the power of 20 times 2 to the power of 1. This same thing as 2 to the power of 20 plus 1, which is 2 to the power of 21. So this is the solution of this question, 2 to the power of 21. This is a first method. We are going to look at the second method to see whether we'll still have this answer. So we clean this. That was method 1. So we have this one, method 2. So here we are given square root of 8 into square root of 8 into square root of 8 all to the power of 8. If you have a parenthesis like this square root covers these 3 and we can separate each of them. So this is same thing as square root of 8 times square root into square root of 8. Then we have times square root into square root into square root of 8 all to the power of 8. We know that when we have square root of a, the same thing as a to the power of 1 all over 2. So from here, this is same thing as 8 to the power of 1 all over 2 times here is 8 to the power of 1 all over 4, because square root of a into square root of a is same thing as a to the power of 1 all over 2 times 1 all over 2. So this is what it means. This is a to the power of 1 all over 4. That's why we have this. This same thing as times 8 to the power of 1 all over 8, because square root of into square root of 8 is the same thing as 8 to the power of 1 all over 2 times 1 all over 2 times 1 all over 2. This is 8 to the power of 1 all over 8. So this is what it means, in all to the power of 8. So looking at this parenthesis, we need to evaluate this first. So we have here 8 to the power of 1 all over 2 plus 1 all over 4 plus 1 all over 8 all to the power of 8. In this situation, we have here 8 to the power of, looking for the LCM of this. LCM of these 3 is going to be 8. So 8 divided by 2 is 4. 4 times 1 is 4. We have 8 divided by 4 is 2. 2 times 1 is 2. So we have 8 divided by 8 is 1. 1 times 1 is plus 1. So we have here 8 to the power of 4 plus 2 plus 1 is 7 all over 8. All to the power of 8. This is all to the power of 8. So from here, we can see that we have 8 to the power of 7 all over 8 times 8. From here, this same thing as 8 to cancel here 1 and 8 to cancel here 1. We are now left with 8 to the power of 7. 8 here is same thing as 2 to the power of 3 all to the power of 7. We have that 2 to the power of 3 times 7, the same thing as 2 to the power of 21. We can see that we have 2 to the power of 21, which is the same answer that we have gotten from the first one, and this is the right answer. If you like what we're doing here, follow us on our Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, comments and share video for more interesting topics. Thank you.